Tribal King Dato Lito Dahines Monreal Sr. here at Police Regional Office 11, Camp Sergeant Quintin M. Merecido, the home of the brave and disciplined Police Dabawenyo. Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremony will now begin. Magsisambutan lahat at ating ulitin ang Lupang Manila, ang pambansang awit ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambay ng makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the presentation of awards to deserving PRO 11 personnel. And to present the award, may we humbly request our guest of honor and speaker, together with our regional director, to be assisted by the command group. Now, Captain Dennis Infiesto Malayo. A round of applause, please. Thank you very much. The same award is also given to Staff Sergeant Ralph Alex Garing Aquino.
Our guest of honor and speaker is a master in social science and a doctor in philosophy. He is the current chairman and president of Mount Apo Tribal Highlander Foundation, the spokesperson and chief minister, Mount Apo State, the chairman and president, Highlander Agricultural Cooperative, and the chairman, Tribal Self-Governance Spirituality Ministry, the President, Integrated Learning Site Agriculture, Cultural, Holistic, Herbal Healing Center Incorporated, and the President of Mount Apo Highlanders Tribal King Holdings Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our guest of honor and speaker, an ordained auxiliary IP chaplain of the PNP,
the Tribal King Bumunsod of the entire tribes of Mindanao, Dato Major Lito Dahines Monreal Sr. A round of applause, please.
It is to arrange and to align that in this world, in this situation of today, ang gamahanan nga Dios nga kung diin kami nga mga chaplain nakatutok sa pastoral, kauban ang ginatawag na to nga law. There is a law. Ang pag-implement sa mga law, ang pag-introduce sa law nga ang katilingban mahimong masulundon, nga ang katilingban mahimong the people, the community, nga kung diin kana nga mga komunidad mo cooperate, nga kung diin na diha nga level, diha nga ang. My dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, mga kaubanan nato nga naa diri, mga tribal nga miuban karon, mga tribal leaders sila, nalipay sila nining mga okasyon ug miuban sila. Kauban po na ako sa pastoral ministry, the collaboration of the Kasimbayanan, na kung din the community is not limited only to some areas, is not limited. Man completely created by God, a complicated human being, but to approach all of this as people, pwede ra day siyang makaabot didto sa pinakaubos nga ang nga kutong sa katilingban, labi na sa grupo, sa pamilya, sa tribo, nga kung diin ang mga tribo nga naa sa kabukiran very far away from the truth, the information that our government layo, halos pila ka dupa, pila ka kilometro ang kinahanglan lihokon para makabot sila, because they are human beings. Mas na collective na tog maayo o mas na padali na tog maayo ang katong remaining issues in lives which is unresolved, issues of the histories of the past that becomes wrong of today, issues, concerns, and other problems never being resolved by history. In this partnership sa panag-uban na to sa Kasimbayanan, papasalamaton ko bisag sayano lang ang mga pagsulat nagihimo namo, collecting the information of the community, naramdaman nilag maayo the present of the law ngang mga balaod nga naa mauday ang makahatag og kalinaw, mauday ang makahatag og kalipay sa matag isa didto sa mga komunidad.
Colonel Jerry T. Cabag, S1 Major Richin M. Lagnayo. Thank you, and please be seated. Color Officer Captain Cherry Grace B. Bediones. Bravo Company, Company Commander Lieutenant James Vincent P. Condada. EXO. Please rise for the color. Thank you, and please be seated. Color Officer Captain Cherry Grace B. Bediones. Bravo Company, Company Commander Lieutenant James Vincent P. Condada. EXO Lieutenant Francis Mark Ngatigan. Third Platoon Leader Lieutenant Leonardo C. Barcet Jr. and Fourth Platoon Leader Lieutenant Bernard Blair. Second Platoon Leader Lieutenant Christian Orville S. Abu. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the colors. Thank you, and please be seated. Color Officer Captain Cherry Grace B. Bediones. Bravo Company, Company Commander Lieutenant James Vincent P. Condada. EXO Lieutenant Francis Mark Ngatigan. Third Platoon Leader Lieutenant Leonardo C. Barcet Jr. and Fourth Platoon Leader Lieutenant Bernard Blair D. Capitan.
Halo,